We're here today at the John Marshall Library in the Rose Hill area of Alexandria to celebrate Will Jasper, who was on the Library Board of Trustees for 16 years. He passed away in late 2020, and we're honoring his memory today by naming a conference room in our newly renovated facility in his honor.
Knowing that there was a free place where people could get together and talk about issues and solve problems was really important to him. So it's so fitting that in this library, in the district that he represented, that it will be named after him and the contributions that he made.
All library facility naming is guided by the Library Board of Trustees. When the board heard about Will Jasper's passing, they wanted to find some way to honor his memory and his years of dedicated service. So they moved forward of their own behest, naming this, which was enthusiastically supported by the Board of Supervisors.
You know, one of the best things about naming something after someone is people say, who was this guy? Who was this woman? And then you get to tell the whole story, and they get to reflect about how they can take a tiny piece of Will's personality.
He knew how to show up for his community and for his family. And if you asked him to come, he'd be there. He was always prepared. He taught me the importance of backing the car into the parking space so you were ready to go.